Hey guys, so it is Sunday. Me and Eli are just kind of chilling, but I'm gonna get ready to clean up the house because his birthday was like 2 days ago, and we still have a few like birthday decorations to take down. Not much, like the table cover, but they have like some tacks I'm gonna remove. But I'm basically gonna be cleaning the kitchen, the dining room, and like family room, and a little bit in the living room, just picking up a few things. But he has like tracks all over the place, and yesterday was kind of a busy day, so I didn't really get a chance to tackle it and clean it all up. So I'm gonna take you guys in there and we're gonna clean together. So
Yeah, yeah. I know you got this feeling that we don't belong. And when love is numbers up, there's nothing strong enough. Leaves are falling, hearts are broken, loves are wasting such. Take these letters from the past and worry so much. Don't you worry about love.
Alright guys, so that is it with this, for this cleaning video. Just did like a quick cleaning just to clear things up and just wipe stuff down so it smells fresh. I'm going to do the floor, but probably later on. I'm just going to vacuum it and then Swiffer it with, I don't use the Swiffer pads because I have laminate floor, so it can't really stay like wet. And then as you, I don't know if you can tell, it's a big area of laminate flooring, so I just use Method and I use like a cloth on the Swiffer because those things don't stay wet long enough to cover the whole floor, plus it kind of dries it out. So I might show it and I might not. If not, then maybe I'll just show it in another video. And then maybe I'll try to link the playlist that I listen to. It's on exclusive music, so I'm listening to 92,000 R&B Party Mix. I'll try to link it in my description box if I can, because it is a good playlist. It's like an hour and 19 minutes, so it's long enough to like clean a good area. And then when I didn't have my headphones on, I was listening to it through Bluetooth, through Alexa. I hate to say her name because you know she lit up, but anyway, yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick cleaning with me video, and if I don't see you guys later on in the floor portion, then I'll see you guys in the next video. Actually, I might vlog later. Actually, this is part of, it's included in my vlog, so we'll see. But all right, talk to you guys later.